So we're down here in Clapham, in southwest London, looking at a project for a customer that's just had their house repointed. So I got a phone call yesterday asking if I could come down and look at this house today, as the customer's very unhappy with the work that's been done on their property. So from a distance you might think it looks all okay, but if I give you a close-up and show you what's been done, unfortunately it's a bit of a different situation. So we did a house on this road last year. Customer saw our house and now realised what standard of work he's received from this project to what it should look like. So as you can see, close up, really untidy pointing, got lots of spin marks in the bricks, nothing's been cut off very well, smears all over the brick. The colour of the mortar's very bright as well. Just overall quality of work is not very good at all. So unfortunately he's terminated the contract with this guy. So he doesn't want any more work being done. But as you can see, this is what you pay for with us. You get a proper professional service and a high class finish. Yes, we are more expensive than other people and other customers, but if you compare the quality of work that we do to something like this, this is the reason why. So as you can see, even got all cracking behind the downpipes, just filled in a bit of red mortar with a bit of cement to instead of changing the bricks. We've still got holes in the pointing here. Let's have a little look upstairs, see what's going on up there. Yeah, really bad again at the top. Well, as you can see, the quality of this pointing close up, it's already started to crack. As you can see, it's already cracking. The mix is obviously the wrong mix. Bad bricks not being cut out and placed, not really taken off the downpipe and got it behind a downpipe. But yeah, this is really bad. Again, they've just colour washed some brickwork without replacing the damaged bricks. Customer went away on holiday, left these guys to it for a week and come home and come back to this. So hopefully we can sort it out for the customer. As you can see again, yeah, real bad finish here, unfortunately. All the collar joints are not being done. They should have all been done. Even the original tuck pointing on the house next door. So what we'll do is probably try and do this back in tuck for the customer. It's original style. So I think they did do try to do some samples of that downstairs. So let's go down to the ground floor and see what's been done down there. So yeah, this is what I always say to my customers. There's a reason why you get a quote a lot cheaper than us, because this is what you could be left with. I mean, you can see the repairs on the base of these stonework there. Again, terrible. You can see all the spin, so if you can see close up, you can see all the spin marks in the bricks. It's not been sanded down very well at all. Oh, this is really bad. Unfortunately, more bricks that have not been replaced properly. Let's have a look downstairs, see what's happened downstairs. I think there's been some samples done downstairs. So let's have a little look, see what's been happening downstairs. As you can see, rubbish everywhere, not tidied up on a daily basis after themselves. These are all the little things that we make sure we do every night. Everything's spotless, everything's clean. Next door neighbours' gardens are always washed down. Yeah, there's the original tuck up in the corner there. So okay, there's a lot of work to do here. There you go, but there's the samples that have been done. Yeah, not very good at all. Really rough. So yeah, I mean, all these bricks should have been cut out and replaced first before we start repointing. So yeah, this is a big job for us to sort out, but nothing we can't fix. So hopefully we'll get this sorted for the customer and do it properly how it should look. Like I say, you've got to be really careful when you see people's work from photographs on social media, because like I say, if you look at it from here, you probably think that was a good job, but unfortunately it's not. So hopefully I can get this fixed for the customer and show you how it should be done professionally in the next couple of weeks. Thank you very much.